What?
What I did. Look what I fucking did. It's not funny.
I'm sorry.
They won't take me out my element. Nah, take me out my element.
What's good, guys? It's your girl Silent. Here's my girlfriend.
Hi guys, what's up?
Diamond. She's about to do my makeup, and I'm gonna go out like that. So here we go.
Oh, and I already primed her face and moisturized her face, and I already did her eyebrows off camera. So okay, and I'm gonna be going in with my Morphe palette, the 3502 palette that babe got me for my birthday.
Wow, bro.
I don't like it.
Beautiful.
You can't. You're not even looking at me.
Honey.
I don't like it.
Stop! You have to like it. Why?
Okay, fine.
Okay, so after this, we're gonna go to my family's. We're going to a birthday party. Yeah, and we're gonna see how everybody reacts.
Mind you, I only wear eyeliner. I don't even wear all this, you know? So this is what she's doing, and we're gonna see people's reactions.
Stop.
What would you used to call goosebumps?
GPs.
The GBs. Oh my god, that's the cutest thing. I just got the GBs. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
Okay, now I'm gonna go with the shimmer.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Quiet. Camera this. I love you. I love you too. My mom was all like, she got the mop. You see her with the mop. She came in, she's like, what is that? She just came outside with a mop. And she started hitting inside Pepper's doghouse. Like as if that little hoochie's gonna be in there. That's why he doesn't want to go in there. My dog has a hoochie. He lets inside his doghouse and he'll sleep outside in the cold. It's pretty romantic. Baby, we should do a mukbang together. Would you love that? I know you would. What would you want? Sharky's tacos? Panda Express? Sushi? Baby, I have to pee. Uh-oh. You're bringing out the tape for what? You're a smooth that to escape. Oh, see as mama.
Let me see.
Baby, you need to put those hands in front of this heater. My hands aren't even that cold. It's because it got a warm heart. Sorry. Why do I have a runny nose all of a sudden?
I don't know why. Like, even whenever I do my makeup, I get a runny nose.
I slay all day. Baby.
Why are you why are you going back?
I'm sorry.
Don't look at me. Look at a fixed point. Look over here. Look over
You
here.
are my fixed point.
Shut up. That was cute. Go.
No. It's alright. It's alright.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay. Oh, I'm never gonna be able to get done.
Stop. Oh.
Never will I do this again. Never will I do this
Why?
again. I mean, it's cute. Okay, foundation on.
Ooh, amazing.
Oprah foundation.
Oprah.
No, you're gonna.
What do you want me to edit out? Everything's great.
No,
It's going fine.
No, it's not.
You want me to edit out the part where you yelled at me, huh? For real?
Stop.
Beat that face, queen. You love this, don't you?
Don't put your face back.
I'm thinking harder.
Quit! Look at me.
I'm leaving that in.
No, you're not. Oh my god. I don't like this foundation. Why do you keep going like this?
How come you always point out the bad? I always say you're beautiful.
No, you know what, babe? I'm sorry. I've been doing that a lot lately, but I think it's because I'm going to school. And, like, you know, for those things, like, for, you know, like, face, you know, like, so I think that's why I point it out. Like, I do people's eyebrows in my head. Do you understand? Wait, look at you, look funny in the camera.
Whoa. Ooh. Ooh.